What's up, drone pilot? Welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Neil J and I do crazy stuff with FPV drone. I came here today to fly my DJI Avata 2 in a manual mode. I have not flown this drone for a while since I get my real FPV 3.5 and 5 inch. I really haven't flown it much. This is the original. I will always have love for, because without this drone I will probably never be involved in flying FPV. So this is the start, and it got me all the way where I need to be more confident of flying some other drones like this 3.5 Deep Space Seeker 35 with 4S battery. This is a beast, but this is the drone that you wanna use. It's much safer. And it's good for cinematic. I do have on it, I've been flying those HQ props for a while. They are the best props in my opinion for this drone. It allows me to do a lot more than the original one or the what was the name of the other one, the Master Air Screw. So those are much better. I tried the Master Air Screw, but those are much better. Those are 3 times 3.2. They're really good, and again I have my ND filter here. I'm gonna be flying it camera setting in manual mode. I'll show you my settings, and that's gonna be very nice. This is where you need to get the cinematic stuff. It's not as freestyly as the other ones, but still you can do a lot with it. I'll show you what we can do today, so welcome aboard. Now let's go ahead and send it. All right, let me go ahead and show you my camera settings. Here they are. Manual mode, shutter speed 1120 since I'm recording in 4K 60. White balance 5000 locked. 400 on the limit on the ISO. We're getting into the sunset right now, so D-Log M. All right, let me go ahead and switch to manual mode. 30 degrees on the camera angle. Engine starts. And let's go. It's a heavy takeoff, not like the other drones, but still can do a lot of stuff with it. So another flip on the other side. Very nice. I'm gonna go do forward flip. Back flip. Let me do kind of a little bit slower on the back flip. Nice. I'm gonna do split us here and show you the area at the same time. Those are my playground here where the trees are, and this is the water over there. There's some people around the water, so I'm gonna go there, but I'm not gonna be too close to the people. Let's go ahead and do some low flying here around. I haven't flown it. I haven't flown this drone for a few months now, and today I decided to come and show it some love. This is the original. This is where all the learning that I did flying FPV, right here on this drone. I have a lot of respect for this drone. Without this drone, I wouldn't be here today flying this other 5 inch and the real FPV stuff. It's limited, obviously, for obvious reason. It's very limited, but if you know how to manage the energy on this drone, you can do a lot with it. And I like it. I like the way that I have to learn how to manage the energy, because it's like flying airplanes. This is literally what you do all the time. You're managing that energy. Woo, that was close. It doesn't have that much power to rescue you if you get too close to the ground. And especially when I make turns like this, I need to watch for the trees behind me, not only in front of me, because they will be pushed into that trees. Look at, let me give you an example. If I turn here, if I don't go hard on the throttle and go forward, then I will hit that other tree behind. There we go. That's my Avata. It's still a lot of fun to fly. It's safe. A drone. It's safe to fly. It's the right tool for the right job, really. You can't say one is better than the other one. Each drone has its own purpose. And this one is more cinematic, more safe flying. Now the wind is pushing me from behind. So I have to work with the limitation just to make sure that, like right here, I can do the cinematic stuff. On top of the water. If I lose signal or whatever, it will come back by itself. Let's buzz the tower. Buzz in the tower. Let's go ahead and do some other maneuvers up here. My favorite maneuver is dive. Let's try dive. But I gotta watch out because the Avata can lose. I need to start working on the throttle way before I get now. Look, see? I start working way before and still barely recovered from that dive. Let's do another dive. 350, that's enough. Okay, so I'm working already on the throttle. That's all the way up the throttle. Barely catching up. That's the limitation I'm talking about. You have to work around that, which is fine. Okay, let's do another one here. Smoother. Woo! That's throttle all the way up, believe it or not. That was all the way full throttle and barely made it, barely. I'm 49% on the battery, so I do have plenty of battery. I just don't have that throttle authority. I was trying to do a split us over there. I need to go much higher on the split us because I need to be able to recover, as you see. This is full throttle right here. Yep, that's the Avata. I'm not complaining, I'm just saying this has different purpose. I must see if I can, in the way back, get it to... Let's surf those trees first. And now in the way back, I'm gonna go see how fast I can go. Right now I'm full throttle. 58 I saw. This is all full throttle. So as you see, it's very limited, but if you can manage that energy, you can have a lot of fun in this drone. I did. I've been flying it for 2 years. It's a lot of fun. I've been almost everywhere with it. All right, let's make sure we're not gonna hit the water. Oh. We still can hit gaps with it for sure. Okay, more throttle, more throttle. Okay, I have to play a lot with this throttle to make it happen. All right, so 28% on the battery, that's enough. I'm gonna bring it back. I'm gonna try to land it in manual mode. Because I can. The wind is coming from front and the right. I have to slow it down. Come on the landing pad, not here. Oh. I'm used to, I'm not used to that switch to turn it off. I actually was on top of it and I was trying to turn it off and then I killed the engine and it didn't. I needed to go faster. So here it is. We ate some grass, but it still survived it. Like you see here, this is the Avata 2. This is the best drone ever. If you want to start flying drones, FPV drones, this is the way to go. This is literally the way to go. It's really good drone. It will help you to learn. It will help you to be more conservative and learn everything in a slow motion. And that's exactly what you need. I haven't flown it for a while. Today I had to show it some love and it showed me back a lot of love. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave it down below in the comment section and like this video. And I appreciate that. Thank you so much and we'll see you on the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.